Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the beauty products you love with a mix of science, style, and honest insight. Today, we're looking at a classic in the nail world, the Wet n Wild Wild Shine Nail Polish in the shade Off White Yo Soy. It's a creamy nail color designed to give your nails a sleek, polished look, and it promises that signature shine Wet n Wild is known for. First, let's talk about what's inside the bottle. Wet n Wild's Wild Shine line is formulated for vibrant color payoff and a glossy finish. While it's free of major harsh chemicals found in some polishes, it still delivers that bold pigmentation and smooth application nail enthusiasts expect. Off White Yo Soy is a soft, neutral shade, perfect for both casual and formal looks, or as a base for nail art. The brush is standard for the line, wide enough for easy coverage, but precise enough for the edges. When I tested this polish, it went on surprisingly smoothly. One coat gives decent opacity, but 2 coats really brings out the creamy, opaque finish. Drying time is reasonable, not lightning fast, but definitely manageable if you're busy or multitasking. I appreciated that it didn't streak or clump, and the finish was glossy without feeling sticky. In real-world wear, it lasted about 4 to 5 days before minor chipping appeared. Nothing out of the ordinary for a standard drugstore polish, but a top coat can extend that further. What I love is the ease of use. No special skills required to get a clean, professional-looking manicure. It's a polish that works well whether you're doing a quick at-home manicure or a more detailed nail design. On the flip side, if you're looking for an ultra-long-lasting, chip-resistant polish, this one will need regular touch-ups. So let's break it down. The pros include smooth application, vibrant and even color, affordability, and a glossy finish that doesn't disappoint. The cons? Moderate wear time and a need for top coat if you want it to last longer. In terms of value, this polish is excellent. It hits the sweet spot of quality and affordability, especially when compared to higher-end options. While some luxury brands might offer a longer-lasting formula for its price point, Off White Yo Soy delivers consistent, polished results. If you're after a cheaper alternative with similar shades, the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry line offers comparable neutrals, but I still find the Wild Shine texture more comfortable on the nails. Packaging is simple and functional, easy to store, and doesn't leak, which is always a plus when you have multiple shades in your collection. Wet n Wild has a good reputation for making reliable, everyday polishes, and they generally respond well to consumer feedback, though I haven't had any direct customer support interactions myself for this product. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Wet n Wild Wild Shine Nail Polish in Off-White Yo Soy is a solid, reliable choice for anyone looking to add a versatile, creamy neutral to their nail rotation. It performs well, looks polished, and won't break the bank. If you love easy-to-use, classic shades with good pigmentation, this one's definitely worth trying. Thank you so much for visiting Beautyistic. If you've used this polish, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to grab it can be found in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.